iconic Aussie backyard pool is becoming a rarity, Clint, as the cost of installing one soars.
Yes, however, Domain's Alice Stoltz has found some good home buys where you can still head outside and take a dip. She joins us now from Melbourne. Definitely not at my place. I haven't got enough room for a pool. Do Aussies no longer value pools as much as they once did?
Good morning, guys. Well, look, it's the most searched word on Domain, so I still think we still really hold close to us that idea of having a backyard pool is kind of the ultimate thing in life. And we do have the highest amount of pools per capita of anywhere in the world in Australia. And really, I think it's reflective of our lifestyle. We value it. We've got the heat. Most of the time, we don't have as much rain as what we've had these past few days. But I think it's something that still remains top of most buyers' wish lists.
Okay, so how much of a premium do they add?
Look, so a lot of it comes down to how much demand is like in your area. So in a place like Tassie, probably going to be a bit less demand than what we'll obviously see in Queensland. But from a monetary sense, they can add around 7% in value. A lot of that depends on, though, kind of the quality of the pool, whether it's like a concrete poured pool or sort of just an above ground pool. There's many different variations there, but it's kind of a good sort of benchmark to bear in mind. Around 7% is the average.
Okay, so you've done some digging. You've found some on the market for around, what, $1 million? Let's line them up now.
Indeed, we're going to canter around the country, kicking off in Brisbane. Now, it's in Sunnybank. There's a house on the market around $1 million mark, north-facing back garden and an in-ground pool that has got plenty of deck and lounge space. Looks pretty good right about there. Heading on over to Sydney now. It's amazing you can actually get this in Sydney. I think when you look at house prices there. Bossley Park, 5-bedroom home on the market for $1.1 million, semi-in-ground pool with that wooden deck and poolside lounge area, if you don't mind. In Melbourne, in Chelsea Heights. Now, the little tip here, the vendor on this listing says must sell, all offers considered. On the market for $960,000 plus to a mill heated saltwater pool. Again, saltwater heated you can use all year round, so a bit more sort of bang for your buck there. Now, turning to Adelaide in Greenwith, there's a 4-bedroom home on the market, $1 million, perfect family entertainer. Again, in-ground pool and some pretty fancy sprinklers there. And then finally, wrapping up in Perth, in Chidlow, a 5-bedroom, 2-bathroom house on the market for around $850K, massive in-ground pool plus separate spa and a lot of games on the side in that house there. But I think it goes to show, guys, when you really want to do digging and if you're willing to compromise on the location that you want to go in potentially, you can, thankfully, still get houses around that $1 million mark in Australia.